Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for the Happy Blue Year project for you. And this project was started by Avoided Locks, kind of created in like togetherness, I cannot think of the right English word, with like some of the people on the Discord channel that Alexi and Rebecca started. Which will be linked down below if I don't forget. And it's all about the color blue basically, and this year, so I have my products right here related to the color blue one way or another. So we're just gonna jump right in with the space themed product first. This is the Apocalips lip lacquer from Rimmel in Apocaliptic, and well, the apocalypse happened in space somewhere. Yeah, still working on this, wearing it today as I always do during these updates. But the progress is really slow at the moment, just because going into the office wearing masks, I'm not going to wear this underneath the mask because the mask will be ruined from the inside forever. I just don't like the idea of like my lips touching something and dispensing color to it. I don't know. I'm sure you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I've used this, according to my marks, 6 times in the last month. I felt like I was making such good progress, and then when we started going back in the office, and of course I'm wearing masks kind of when I'm moving about, I'm just not wearing this one anymore, and it's moving so slowly at the moment, but I'm making some sort of progress still, so that counts for something, I guess. Then we have this one, my Lucky Charm, the NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte blush in So Taupe. I feel like this is kind of a boring one to show you as long as I have not hit pan yet, because I don't feel like it looks that much different. And I don't know how close I am to pan. I'm using this on a pretty much daily basis as like my contour shade. And I will get there at some point. Yeah, my main thing that I'm trying to do is actually go all the way through this, but I'm starting to get the feeling that I should just be happy if I manage to hit pan on this one by the end of the year, but let's see. I really like the product, so I don't really mind it moving slowly, but it would just be more exciting to be able to show you guys like some actual progress, even though I know I'm using it a lot. Then a thing that I know I'm not using a lot. This is the Jelly Pong lip blush in a red shade. I've still got loads of product left in here. And I have not used this one. Just because when it comes to colored products, my focus is on the Rimmel lip lacquer. Because if I also try to make progress on this one, and I'm already only using that one 6 times, that means I'm not making progress on anything. So this one is on the bench. That's what we say in Dutch. I don't know if that's English, but yeah, it's waiting for me to get to it. And I don't know when that's gonna be and if that's still gonna happen this year, but we will see. So that one was a sea themed because jelly and jellyfish makes complete sense. Blue packaging because of the blue letters on here. This is the Maybeline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in Translucent. I really thought I would have pan on this one by now, but there is no pan yet. I feel like I really should be close because on this side right here, and you can see that probably a lot better in the close-up, the pan is so low, there is so much side pan showing that I cannot be that far away. Oh. I'm looking at it from this angle now, and I can actually see the tiniest bit of like that angle in the pan basically. I think, yeah, pretty sure I am like about to hit pan right at the bottom here. I don't know if you can see that in the close-up, but yes, okay, that's exciting because I was getting confused as to how deep that pan would be. But it looks like I'm pretty much there, so that's exciting. Still have some work to do on that one, but it's a powder. I use that on a daily basis when I'm putting on my makeup, so that's all good. Next product. This is a product with a cool tone flip because there is some really subtle blue shimmer in this shade, which you can not really see when you use it, but it's there. So It has a cool tone flip, and I'm using this one also on a pretty much daily basis, at least as an eyeliner, sometimes in my outer V. It's still moving slower than I would like it to be because I want to have this finished by the end of the year, and with the speed that I'm going right now, I don't really see that happening just yet. But that's partly also because I'm working on some darker shades in other projects. And like with the look that I have on right now, if I already have a pretty dark green in the outer V, I don't really see the point of putting this one kind of on top of it. Whereas when I've got like kind of a brown, like the darker brown that's in my palette, it's not like a really dark, there is no like black base to it basically, so then it makes more sense to combine it with this one. So as long as I'm working on those other shades, I will be using this one maybe a little bit less, although now that we're slowly moving into like fall winter time, I will likely be wearing a bit more darker looks, because at times, even when I was using that brown shade, I just felt like keeping it a bit lighter because we don't have to have like dark smoky looks every single day. But yeah, still got some work to do on that one. However, the product that I rolled in most recently, I think probably 2 or 3 updates ago at this point, I was working on the orangey, like peachy shade right here because it complements the shade blue. And I don't know how well you can see, but you can definitely see the close-up. I've hit pan on that one, and that was my goal, so that one is rolling out. I hit pan on it like the usage before today, so today I put it in my Crazy Transition shade, which is probably kind of disappearing behind the other stuff that I put on, but it's there, and I hit pan. So that is exciting. It is at the moment actually the biggest pan that I have in this palette. They're all kind of small, but still, yeah. So that went quicker than I actually thought it would be, so that is pretty exciting. And this product is already rolling out, which means I can roll in something new, which I'm always excited about. And this time I decided to go with the theme of something that like you can link to the cold, like blue of course is kind of like a cold, cool color as well. So anything you can link to the weather or to the temperature or any type of thing cold that works. And I decided to go with this lip balm that I've already been working on all year long, and I just couldn't really find a way to put this in a project yet. And since I'm working on it anyway, I thought it would be nice to actually like track that progress a little bit more, because I'm tracking it in my like products that I want to finish in 2021. But that's every quarter, and that's just a little bit too far apart. So I thought it would be nice to roll it in here. It's the I Love Coconut and Cream Lip Balm. I don't know if I already said that. Of course, coconuts is not really the cool weather type. That would be more like beach themed, but because the product itself is white and snow is white, I thought it definitely worked anyway. So as I already said, I'm using this on an almost daily basis. I've already hit like the bottom of this product, and like I don't know, but I'm hoping to actually finish this one off by the end of the year. This is the lip balm that I put on like at the end of the day before I go to sleep, and sometimes at other times as well. So I'm definitely using this pretty consistently, so I thought it would be nice to have something in here that I'm actually using instead of rolling something in that I might not be touching for a little while, or that messes with like progress that I'm trying to make in other projects, it's so hard. Yeah, and this would be one of them. I'm using it on a daily basis anyway, and it does not interfere with anything else because it's the only lip balm that I'm working on at the moment. So this one is rolling in, and the Peachy shade is rolling out. And I'm just kind of thinking for goals for next time, since I could kind of see like the tiniest bit of bottom pan appearing here, I want to have like a good bit of pan on this one by next time. And apart from that, like, yeah, I'm hoping I can hit pan on this guy, but I have no idea if I will. Everything else will probably keep moving quite slowly. Apart from maybe this one, I'm curious to see how much progress I'm really making on a monthly basis on that one. So we will find it out by next month. And yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!